brain. Good morning, guys! Kagigising natin! It's my off day today. Aga gising kasi para tayo dyan sa may Pineda Market. May bibilin ako kasi nakabili kagabi. Ang aking dapat lulutuin ngayon. Diba, guys? Sobrang lakas ng ulan kagabi. Grabe. Nung oras na ako uwi, mag-alas 12 na. Naglaba ako kagabi pagdating ko habang nagkakape ako. Buti na lang bilis-bilis magkape. I mean, maglaba. Salang lang.
Alright, I'm out here with my son. We're playing all around the world. We're both at the same spot right now. So we're trying to, we're fighting for the finish. And let's see. Oh. Hurry up, come on, boy. Shoot, see if you can get it. There you go. We're in the same spot around the world. Oh.
Guys, let's eat tortillas bread, hummus, and coffee. Yummy. It's my off day. Guys, nakapalengke na tayo. Rice, mga vegetable. Tapos manok lang naman yung binili nating karne. Tapos, yan. Diba? Magluto tayo ngayon, guys. And maglinis ng bahay, of course. Okay, guys. Nagluluto na tayo. Yun yung adobong sitaw. Tapos may yung chicken na tira ko kahapon na ulam. Yan. Niluluto na siya. Then, of course, bell peppers, onion. Kasi gagawa tayo ng chicken quesadillas. You know? Yan, na-marinate ko na yan. Tapos yung mga ingredients niya. And of course, nagiwa tayo ng vegetable salads para mamaya. And yung tortillas natin. Tapos maggatgat tayo ng cheese. Okay. Let's do this. Guys, luto na yung ating adobong sitaw with bell pepper. Tapos na tayo gumawa na chicken quesadilla. I don't know kung ano yan. O, diba? Ayun yung ginisa kong chicken nyo. May yogurt yan. Yan, yummy. Let's eat, guys. Chicken quesadilla, salad, tsaka seafood. Okay. Yummy.